Hello children, we begin with a new lesson, Problems on Measurement. Exercise 46. Question number 1, add rupees 950 plus 1460. So now what we do, we make two columns, rupee and paise. Rupees we write it under this, 9 rupees 50 paise plus 14 rupees 60 paise. To add it, we add 50 plus 60, we add like terms. So when you add 50 plus 60, you get 110, which is 100 paise plus 10 paise. We know 100 paise is 1 rupee plus 10 paise. This 10 paise we write here, and this 1 rupee we have taken it to the left hand side. When you add all this, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 14 is 24. So I get 24 rupees and 10 paise. Okay. Same way, second question, 6 centimeter, 5 millimeter plus 7 centimeter, 9 millimeter. So we have made two columns, add the millimeter side, 5 plus 9 is 14. So write it as 10 plus 4 because 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter, so that's 1 centimeter plus 4 millimeter. 4 we write it under the column of millimeter. This one gets carried over. So 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. Answer 14 centimeter, 4 millimeter. Next, third question, 22 meter, 50 centimeter plus 25 meter, 75 centimeter. Add the centimeter column. You get 125, which is 100 plus 25. We know 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So 25 centimeter, you're going to write it on the right hand side. 1 meter carries over to the meter column. Add 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 48 meter, 25 centimeter is your answer. The fourth question, 15 kilometer, 740 meter plus 13 kilometers, 950 meters. When you add the meter column, you get 1690 meter. When you add these both, 0, 0 is 0, 5 plus 4 is 9, 7 plus 9, 16. Now 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. So I write it in terms of 1000 plus 690. So that's 1 kilometer plus 690 meters. What is their meter? I write it under the meter column. 1 kilometer, take it to the left. Add all this on the left hand side. I get 29 kilometers. So my final answer is 29 kilometers, 690 centimeters. Okay. We go to question number 5. That is 25 kg, 650 grams. Plus 29 kg 770 grams. Same method, add the gram column. I get 1420. 1000 plus 420. 1000 grams makes 1 kg plus 420. 420 is written here. This one gets carried over. Add it up. You get 55. Final answer 55 kg 420 grams. The same with liter and milliliter also. And you get this answer. Okay. Now, the second question is subtract. Now, the first question is rupees 1950 paise minus rupees 12 and 60 paise. Now, when I subtract, definitely I know 12 rupees 60 paise is a smaller quantity than 19 rupees 50 paise. So, that's why it is written down. But when I come to this column, I am subtracting 50 minus 60, which is not possible, isn't it? So, what I must do is, from here I have to borrow. Now how do I borrow? How many paise makes 1 rupee? 100 paise makes 1 rupee. So what I'll do is, this 19 I'll cancel, I'll make it 18. So 19 rupees have become 18 rupees. And whereas that 1 rupee gone, 1 rupee has gone to this column. So 1 rupee is 100 paise. That 100 plus this 50 is 150 paise. So I cancel 50 and I write 150 paise on top. 19 I cancel, I write 18 rupees on top. Now do the subtraction. 150 minus 60 is 90. 18 minus 12 is 6. So answer rupees 690 paise. Okay. Second question, 24 centimeter, 2 millimeter minus 3 centimeter, 8 millimeter. Again, 2 minus 8 is not possible. So 24 becomes 23 centimeters. 1 centimeter we know is how many millimeters? 10. So that 10 comes here. 10 plus this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 23 minus 3 is 20. My answer is 20 centimeter 4 millimeter. Okay. Question number 3. 20 meter 30 centimeter minus 17 meters 60 centimeter. That is our third question. 30 minus 60 is not possible. So 20 make it 19. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 100 plus 30 is 130. 130 minus 60 is 70. 19 minus 17 is 2. So my answer is 2 meter 70 centimeter. Question number 4. 40 kilometers 255 meters minus 17 kilometers 960 meters. Same way 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 40 becomes 39. 1 kilometer shifts here to 1000. 1000 plus 255 is 1255. When I subtract this I get 295. 39 minus 17 is 22. So my answer is 22 kilometers 295 meters. Children, I hope by now you have understood how the conversion is to be done, and this is how I have done question number 5 as well as 6. Kindly go through it and write it down in your classwork. Okay, I'll be uploading the images for it. Now after this, we go to the next problem set number 47. Now problem set 47, the first question, now these are word problems. The question says, look into your textbooks children, page number 66. For his birthday, Ajay gave 20 liter 450 milliliter of milk to the children in an ashram shala, and 28 liters 800 ml to the children in an orphanage. How much milk did Ajay donate? So amount of milk that he has donated to the ashram is 20 liters 450 milliliters, and then amount of milk he is donated to the orphanage is 28 liters 800 milliliters. Now you need to, how much milk did Ajay donate? So total you have to find out, you have to add. So when I add the milliliter column, 450 plus 800 is 1250 ml. 1000 plus 250 ml. We know 1000 ml is 1 liter. So this 250 you write it under the milliliter column. This 1 liter carry it up. So 20 plus 1 plus 28 is 49. So Ajay donated 49 liters 250 milliliters of milk. Okay. We go to the next question number 2. Under the Rural Cleanliness Mission, college students cleaned 1 kilometer 750 meters of a village road that is 2 kilometers 575 meter long. How much remains to be cleaned? So the total length of the road is 2 kilometers 575 meters. Out of this, only 1 kilometer 750 meters has been cleaned. So how much more is remaining? So from 2 kilometers 575 meters, I have to subtract 1 kilometer 750 meters. So I'll get my answer. Now it is not possible to subtract 575 minus 750. So this 2 kilometers become 1. And in that process, that 1 kilometer goes to meter column as 1000. 1000 plus this 575 is 1575. This minus 750, I get 825. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, my final answer is 825 meter remains to be cleaned. Okay. Next question number 3. Babulgaon used 21,250 liters of treated wastewater in the fields. Samvatsar used 31,350 liters of similar water. How much treated wastewater was used in all? So total treated wastewater, you will have to add both. So it's simple addition. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. Therefore, 52,600 liters of treated wastewater was used in all. Okay. Next question number 4. If half a liter of milk costs 22 rupees, how much will 7 liters cost? Okay. So cost of half liter milk is 22 rupees. So find out cost of 1 liter milk.
So what I must do? To make this half 1, I have to multiply it with 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, I get 1. So in my answer also, I'll multiply with 2. 22 into 2, 44 rupees. Now you have to find out 7 liters of milk. If 1 liter of milk costs 44, 7 liter of milk will cost 44 into 7. That is 308 rupees. This is your answer. Okay. Next, question number 5. If the speed of a motorcycle is 40 kilometers per hour, how far will it travel in an hour and a quarter? In an hour and a quarter, right? So, distance that is travelled in 1 hour is 40 kilometers. Now in quarter hour, how much it will travel? If it travels in 1 hour 40, in quarter hour, 1/4 of an hour, it will travel 1/4 of 40, that is 10 kilometer. So total distance that it travels in an hour and a quarter is 40 plus 10, that's 50 kilometers. Okay. Next, question number 6. If a man walks at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour, how long will it take to walk 3 kilometers? So, distance of 4 kilometers is covered in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. Now they are asking how much time will he take to walk 3 kilometers. So if he walks 1 kilometer, how much how much time will he take to cover 1 kilometer? 60 divided by 4. What is 60 divided by 4? 4 ones are 4. Subtract 2, bring down the 0, 4 5s are 20. That means 15 minutes it takes for him to cover 1 kilometer. Now you have to find out how much distance distance of 3 kilometers will be covered in how much time. So if 1 kilometer he covers in 15 minutes, 3 kilometers he will cover in 3 into 15. 3 into 15, that is 45 minutes. Okay, this is how you do question number 6. Next, question number 7. If a rickshaw travels at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, how far will it travel in 3/4 of an hour? So in 1 hour, it travels 30 kilometers. In 3/4 of an hour, that means 3/4 of an hour, it will travel how much? 3/4 into 30. 3 into 30 is 90 upon 4. 3 into 30 is 90 upon this 4. Divide 90 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down this 0. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now I'll put a 0. So I have to put a decimal. 4 5s are 20. Subtract 0. So my answer is 22.5 kilometers. So my final answer I'll write it travels 22.5 kilometers in 3/4 of an hour. So that's up to question number 7. The remaining questions of this exercise, I'll be doing it in the next video. Children, I hope you are following. Please write down the answers of these questions. As I have explained, I'll be uploading the images. So please write it down in your classwork so that you are able to understand it better and you will be able to study it well. Okay. Thank you.